the yellow ring or loop and pull the both threads to make it tight. Now I will chain 3. I will tie the yellow and the white thread to make it tight. Okay, now we will do the puff stitch into the first space between the first and second double crochet. Yarn over, enter the hook and pull through. Again yarn over, enter the hook into the first space and pull through. I will do it 3 times to make a puff stitch. So we need 12 puff stitches, as we took 12 double crochet in the magic ring. So repeat it with me. If you're beginners, this is the best project to learn a crochet. One thing I need to mention is, once you've done the puff stitch, then you have to take 2 chains before taking next puff stitch. I mean between flower. Now I will cut the extra rope or the thread. Now I will pull the hook from the thread, and now I will just make a simple knot to make sure that it isn't